Well, fáilte arás. If it's a Jaganish 16. If this is your first time here, it's a series. To go in order, you have to start at number 1. So follow the link, please. And blah, blah, blah. Pause the video. Say what you meant to say out loud. And then listen to the way I say it. Here we go. Do you remember how to say, where is my friend? Go. Chonaill mhadadh. Can you remember how to say, where are you? Chonaill tú. Chonaill tú. Say, I'm in Dublin. Tá mé in Malaclia. I'm in Derry. Tá mé in Nira. Good. So to say, where were you? Remember we asked, what did you do? How'd you say, what did you do? Could you into? And you can answer that with saying, I was in Dublin or I went to Derry, whatever. But say, where were you? That's Caro tú. Caro tú. Just repeat it. Caro tú. Then you can again answer with, I was in Newry. Go on. Bhí mé in Newry Contra. So now, to say in Spain is Spáinn. Spáinn. You're literally saying in the Spain. So, how would you say I was in Spain? Bhí me Spáinn. Ask, what was the weather like? Could you remember in Hampshire? Say, it was dreadful. Bhí sé milchana. It was cold. Bhí sé fuair. Say, it was too cold. Bhí sé ró uair. Can you say, I went to the beach? Hui mé go dtí an trá, but it was too cold. Ach bhí sé ró uair. Can you remember how to say, and so, or and therefore? Yeah, agus mar sin. So say, and so I went to the pub. Agus mar sin, hui mé go dtí an pub. Say, it was warm in the pub. Bhí sé teich sa pub. Can you remember how to say, I had a pint of Guinness? Bhí pint of Guinness agam. Say again, I was in Spain. Bhí mé sa Spáinn. Now, holidays is leitheann saoire, or you'll hear leithe saoire sometimes. We'll go with leitheann saoire. So on holidays is leitheann saoire. Can you remember how to say, where were you? Caro tú. So say, where were you on holidays? Caro tú ar leitheann saoire. Now don't say I was in Spain. We're going to try to say, I went to Spain. So that's going to be go dtí an Spáinn. Right? Say, I went to Spain. Hui mé go dtí an Spáinn. But the weather wasn't too good. Think about that. But the weather wasn't. Okay? Ach ní ró in Hampshire. Too good. Ró why? So say, but the weather wasn't too good. Ach ní ró in Hampshire ró why? Say, it was terribly cold. Bhí sé milchana fuair. And so I went to the pub. Agus mar sin, hui mé go dtí an pub. Say, and so I went home. Agus mar sin, hui mé nuala. Now, Donegal, we're going to call Donegal Chonaill. Chonaill. There's Donegal as well, but we're going to say Chonaill. And in Donegal is Chonaill. Say, I was in Donegal. Bhí mé I Chonaill. Ask again, where were you on holidays? Cá raibh tú leithin de Ceacht? Say, I was in Donegal with my dog. Bhí mé I Chonaill le mhadadh. Ask what was the weather like. Could you ever be in Hampshire? Say, it was great. Bhí sé ar dóigh. It was hot, but it wasn't too hot. Bhí sé che, ach ní raibh sé róthaigh. Say, I went to the beach. Hui mé go dtí an trá. Say again, I went to Spain. Hui mé go dtí an Spáinn. And ask, where were you on holidays? Cá raibh tú leithin de Ceacht? Ask, what did you do yesterday? Could you erin tú inné? Good. Say, I was in Dublin. Bhí mé I Maille Clia, but it was too cold. Ach bhí sé ró uair. And so I went home. Agus mar sin, hui mé nuala. Say, I went to Spain. Hui mé go dtí an Spáinn. And remember, good is my, so too good is rómhaith. And not too good would be, it wasn't too good, ní raibh sé rómhaith, right? Say again, I went to Spain. Hui mé go dtí an Spáinn, but the weather wasn't too good. Ach ní raibh an amseo rómhaith. And so I went home. Agus mar sin, hui mé nuala. Say, I went to Donegal. Hui mé, oh, you don't know that. It's go tír Chonaill. Good. I went to Donegal. Hui mé go tír Chonaill. Tír Chonaill. Tír Chonaill. What was the weather like? Could you ever bhí in Hampshire? It was great. Bhí sé ar dóigh. It was not too cold. Ní raibh sé ró uair. It was hot. Bhí sé che. I went to the beach with my dog. Hui mé go dtí an trá le mhadadh. Now you remember that and so or and therefore is mar sin. What about and then? Agus an sin. And then I went to the pub. Agus an sin, hui mé go dtí an pub. And then I had a pint of Guinness. Agus an sin, bhí pint of Guinness agam. It was terribly good. Bhí sé miltin of my. But it was cold in the pub. Ach bhí sé fuair sa pub. It was too cold. Bhí sé ró uair. It was terribly cold. Bhí sé miltin a fuair, and so I went home. Agus mar sin, hui mé na walla. Can you ask, have you got a dog? And will madadh agat? Say, I have a dog. Tá madadh agam. Hey, my friend, where's my dog? Hey, machara, cá bhfuil mhadadh? Now, this is new. To say, did you see? That's going to be an mhfaca tú. An mhfaca tú. Okay? So how do you say, did you see my dog? Mhfaca tú madadh. And to say, I did is Chonaic. Chonaic. So, ask again. Did you see my dog? Mhfaca tú madadh. He was here. Bhí sé anseo. I did. Chonaic. So if you want to see, I saw a dog, that would be Chonaic mé madadh. So say, I saw a dog. Chonaic mé madadh. Say, did you see my dog? Mhfaca tú madadh. I saw a dog. Chonaic mé madadh. He was here. Bhí sé anseo. If you want to say I didn't see, it's mhadadh. Mhadadh. So ask again. Did you see my dog? Mhfaca tú madadh. I didn't see. Mhadadh. I didn't see a dog. Mhadadh mé madadh. Remember how to say here? Anseo. I didn't see a dog here. Mhadadh mé madadh anseo. Now, can you ask again, where were you? Cá raibh tú? Where were you on holidays? Cá raibh tú ar leithin de Ceacht? I was in Spain. Bhí mé sa Spáinn. Did you see the beach? Mhfaca tú an trá? I did see. Chonaic. I saw the beach. Chonaic mé an trá. It was great. Bhí sé ar dóigh. It was dreadfully good. Bhí sé miltin of my. But it was too hot. Ach bhí sé ráthaigh. And therefore, I went to the pub. Agus mar sin, hui mé go dtí an pub. And I had a pint of Guinness. Agus bhí pinta Guinness agam. And it was great. Agus bhí sé ar dóigh. And then I went home. Agus an sin, hui mé na walla. Okay, we're building up some complexity. I hope I'm not confusing people. Certainly, look, I'm keeping a notebook to keep track of what we're doing, right, and what we've done. Slán, that'll do for now. Ihoai.